Hello there, my name is Faisal Nadeem, and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a customer service job interview. If you are applying for a customer service role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top 5 most important commonly asked customer service job interview questions, along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager, so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I've already uploaded a video on customer service job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focus content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, how do you define excellent customer service and why is it important? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of customer service principles and your commitment to delivering a positive customer experience. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, excellent customer service to me means anticipating and meeting the needs of customers with a friendly and helpful attitude. It's important because satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers and advocates for the company. Positive experiences also contribute to the overall reputation and success of the business. Question number 2. Can you provide an example of a time when you successfully resolved a challenging customer issue? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your problem-solving and conflict resolution skills. How you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous role, a customer had a billing issue that resulted in frustration. I actively listened to their concerns, apologized for the inconvenience, and investigated the problem. By collaborating with the billing department, I was able to resolve the issue promptly and ensure the customer felt valued and heard. Question number 3. How do you handle a situation where a customer is upset or dissatisfied with the service they received? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to manage difficult situations and remain composed. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm and empathetic, actively listening to the customer's concerns. I apologize for any inconvenience, take ownership of the issue, and work towards finding a solution. If necessary, I involve relevant departments to ensure the customer's concerns are addressed promptly and to their satisfaction. Question number 4. How do you tailor your communication style to meet the needs of different customers? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate adaptability and your communication skills. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I assess each customer's communication preferences and adapt my style accordingly. For example, some customers prefer concise and direct communication, while others appreciate a more conversational approach. By understanding and adjusting to their preferences, I aim to provide a personalized and positive experience. Question number 5. How do you handle high call volumes or a busy service desk while maintaining service quality? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your time management and multitasking skills. So how you can answer to this particular question is, well, during peak times, I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. I use efficient call handling techniques, such as active listening and concise responses, to manage high call volumes while maintaining a high level of service. Additionally, I collaborate with team members to ensure a smooth workflow and address customer needs effectively. So there you have it. 5 most important commonly asked customer service job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on customer service job description. That can also help you a lot in preparation of your customer service job interview. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also give us a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.